Hi everyone. Today I will talk about some low-maintenance, permanent red flowering plants. The name of this flower is spider hibiscus. This flowering plant does not require much care. This plant blooms almost all year round, easily propagated by cuttings. Red plumeria. Although this plant blooms almost all year round, but this plant blooms more in summer, monsoon, and autumn than other times. Easily propagated by seeds and cuttings. This plant loves sunlight. This plant should be planted in a place that receives direct sunlight from morning to afternoon. Jungle Geranium. This plant has many names. It is a very hardy flowering plant. This plant can grow easily in the ground, in containers, and even in plastic bottles. Easily propagated by seeds and cuttings. Every flower plant shown in this video is very beautiful. Do you have these flowering plants in your garden?